Well, the most fun sessions, I think, are working with pregnant women. I mean, helping pregnant women and connecting their little child, and they just can feel the love between both of them. That's just amazing. And I'm convinced, I know with the work we do that we can help the baby in the beginning of their life so they are born worthwhile from the
Yeah.
very beginning. So that means those babies, eventually they grow up and they take a position in our society that in 20, 30 years, those people will become our dentists, lawyers, bakers, politicians. I mean, imagine that if you are served in a shop by someone who feels worthwhile.
Mhm.
That's a completely different ballgame. Someone who feels worthwhile, they will not kill another person. They will not rape another person. So this ripple effect is huge. And it's our contribution to society.
I agree.